Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firebase Authentication in FlutterFlow. To install Firebase Authentication in FlutterFlow, start by opening your FlutterFlow project. Next, navigate to the Firebase console in your web browser. Create a new project if you don't already have one. Once your project is created, click on the Add App button. Select the iOS or Android icon depending on your target platform. Follow the prompts to register your app. Download the Google Services.json or Google Service-info.plist file as appropriate. Place this file in the root directory of your Flutter project. Now, open your FlutterFlow project again. Access the Settings tab from the left sidebar. Look for the Integrations section and find Firebase Authentication. Enable Firebase Authentication by toggling the switch. Next, go back to the Firebase console. Select Authentication from the menu on the left. Click on the Get Started button to enable the service. Choose the authentication methods you wish to use, such as email/password or Google Sign-In. Configure any necessary settings for your chosen methods. Now, return to FlutterFlow and navigate to the UI Builder. Create or open the page where you want to implement authentication. Drag and drop authentication widgets like Sign In or Sign Up onto your page. Set up the actions for these widgets by clicking on them. Under Actions, choose the appropriate authentication action, like Sign In with email. Map the input fields to your Firebase authentication settings. Finally, test your integration by running the app in your emulator or on a physical device. Monitor the console for any error messages and troubleshoot as needed. Once everything is working, you're ready to go live with Firebase Authentication in FlutterFlow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.